camera in me.
No.
I don't want you to be camera in me.
There you go.
He's not taking a picture, Tucker. He's sitting here posing.
Come over here, Tucker.
Do not. Side down.
This side down. There you go.
Mom, you need help? How am I going to do this?
That box needed to be taped.
It's obviously not a sweater.
It's not a sweater.
Oh, Shauna's all, it's a sweatshirt.
It is not. I know what it is. It's
What
not
is
a
it?
sweatshirt.
Tell me what it is.
Why? We don't know it's Sean's
They don't
present.
know. They didn't tell anybody.
I don't know what's that.
Read that card.
But I just knew it was.
Oh my God.
What is that?
What's that card say?
Mickey Mouse games?
What's that card say?
It says these we will need on May 22nd and May 20 through May 26th.
You know why you'll need those?
Why?
Because we're going to Disneyland.
And us too.
Yes, everyone's going to Disneyland.
How do you know that?
Because I bought tickets.
When did you
We're
do
not
that?
going to Disneyland yet.
Oh,
No,
you
in
don't
May.
understand. He planned a trip to Disneyland.
Today?
No, on May 22nd and May 26th, we're going to Disneyland. Sean planned a trip.
I don't get it.
We're going to Disneyland in May.
I knew it. I
We're
get it.
going to Disneyland
You
in
guys
May.
are going to go on a plane.
Ah.
A plane that flies.
And this is your autograph books to take to all of the stars.
Yeah.
So that when you go there, you can get Mickey Mouse to sign it, and Goofy, and all of your favorite Disney guys.
Yeah.
That is like the coolest thing ever.
Oh, yeah. Let's go
We
to
should go count down the dates. Come here.